Welcome to Guns on Illegal. And you can tell by the title, got my 9mm Glock options out here. Kind of dusty. But got my Glock 43x, my Glock 26, and the Glock 19x. Got some targets down range, steel targets. We're gonna see if we can get us some dings. All right, we're gonna start with the smallest 43x. Do I gotta give y'all a description of 43x so I can just shoot it? Let me show you. 43x is very similar to the 26. The main difference is width. 26 is wider. The 43x handle is longer though. Yeah. Let's see if we can get us some dings. I have, and once upon a time, I carried each one of these firearms as more smart. But once upon a time, each one of these firearms was my EDC. So if I don't get at least 5 dings with each one, that means I was out here lacking. Let's see. Going green. I've been out here shooting my Canic, which you'll see on another video. And that trigger on that Canic was so good. Now I got to go back to these badass Glock triggers. So, but I did just get a ding. Jerk that one. I ain't even try to squeeze the trigger. Got 4 dings. My pig target just ain't acting right today, y'all. Grass so dry, I can't even dig it in the ground, you know. But got 4 dings, could have been way more. I can't lie with the rushing them last 2 or 3 shots. Let's move on. Well, let's put my other field targets up. All right. Glock 26 turn. 10 round mag, just like the 43X. Except 43X is single stack, 26 is double stack. What a revelation. I've never shot, I've never got that many dings for my Glock 26 in one mag. I think I got 7 dings. 6 or 7 dings. Still target's just having a bad day, so we ain't gonna worry about them. Gonna stick with the one that's working. 19x turn. 17 round mag. The Glock 26 can take all other Glock double stack mags, so that's a good thing about it. Yeah, let's quit talking. Now on the average day, I shoot this firearm way better than I shoot those. But since I just got dings with them, watch how this turn out. I was shooting a different way. Y'all couldn't see because y'all were behind me, but I was more normally. I got a little slack, like how my shoulder, see how my shoulder just come back. Normally, that's how I be. I'm normally be kind of like aim out and then kind of lean back. I was tight as hell out there this time, but I did okay with it. Could have done better if I just took my time. But you see, I was kind of boom, 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 boom. But yeah, remember, guns are illegal. Glocks are illegal. Get your some.